Welcome back to EDS, and in this video I'm going to be answering why most traders fail and how you can be one of the successful ones this year and every year from here on out. I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step what I personally do. I'm going to show you at least one strategy, and I'm going to explain to you why it works. So why do most people fail? It's very simply down to the fact that they're not getting paid enough for the risk that they're taking, and their win rates are too low. Those are the only two things that it can be. If you are winning most of your trades, i.e. over 50% of your trades, and you're making more than what you're losing, you will be profitable. We like to target 70+% win rates, and I'm going to show you statistically how this is possible and why it's possible and how to do it. And we also want to make sure that we're getting paid enough for the risk that we're taking. So let's get into a strategy, and I'm going to explain how to do this. So at EDS, what we do is we write options contracts. Okay, now the reason why we write options contracts is because the edge is in our favor when volatility is high. It doesn't even need to be too high. The edge is really super in our favor. Volatility is mean reverting. It contracts 80% of the time, and when volatility is high, option prices are high. So we like to sell the contracts or short the contracts when volatility is high, because that's when option prices are high. We play the mean contraction of volatility, and then we buy the position back at a lower price. In a nutshell, that's how it works. So step by step, what we're going to do is we don't trade based on direction. We really don't care which way the market goes. We simply just set a range for ourselves and let statistics take over and just keep rolling the dice over and over and over again. So what you want to do to get the really highest returns is to pull up a watch list of futures that have options available to trade on them. This is because futures allows you to get access to span margin. It uses span margin. That allows us to be very capital efficient, and we're going to get very high juicy returns by doing this. So what you want to do is pull up this watch list. If you don't have it natively provided by a broker, just copy down the ticker symbols and make your own custom watch list. You then want to have IV rank on your watch list and order everything from high to low IV rank. As we briefly mentioned before, we want to sell when volatility is high. Anything any underlying with an IV rank of over 30 is considered high. Over 50 is considered very high. I like to be in the mid to high range. And if you have a smaller account, you probably want to stick to things like currencies, soybeans, bonds, because they don't require too much buying power. If you do have a larger account, by all means trade whatever you like. We're just going to take a look here at soybeans. Why not? ZS, it has an IV rank of 92.3, which is super high, an absolute IV level of 35.6. so let's open up the trade tab, where we can see a list of option expiration dates for the underlying, and we basically want to pick an expiration date that's between 30 and 60 days out. So in this case, we're going to go April 25th, which is 60 days out, and now we will be presented with the options chain. So on the left we have calls, on the right we have puts. We have this horizontal orange line that shows us where the price of the underlying is with respect to the strikes that are going down the middle. We have our IV percentage, which is 20% up here at the top for this specific expiration date, and then in parentheses next to it we have the expected move, and that expected move is also visually displayed here by this vertical orange bar. So when we are short an options contract, we basically want price to stay away from that contract. So in order to get a high probability of success, we already know what the expected move is, and we want price to stay away from our contract. So we're just going to sell contracts outside of the expected move. That's going to give us a high probability of success. The further out you go, the higher your probability of success will be, but the less your return on capital, because you'll be collecting less premium. So we like to use these 1 standard deviation levels, as you can see, 1 and 2 standard deviation levels shown by these dotted blue lines, and we also use delta. So you want to be between 15 and 20 delta on either side. So if you look on the delta column here, we've got a 0.15 delta at the 1140 strike here, and we can sell that contract. And we have a 14 delta on the put side at the 990 strike. As you can see, it was a negative 14 delta. And what you'll notice is that both of these contracts are outside of the expected move. They're in and around the 1 standard deviation level, and they're between 15 and 20 deltas, give or take. And this is going to give us a very high probability of success. And as you can see here, this green bar has now shown up, and the green bar is our break-even zone. So as long as price is within this green bar at the point of expiration, we're going to make money. And the reason why the green bar over extends past our contracts is because we collect a premium up front, and in this case it's $10.87.5. Well, I said that wrong, but there you go, 10.875. That's the premium that we're going to collect. And to calculate your break-evens, it would be on the call side your strike, which is 1140 plus this 10.87, and on the put side it would be 990 minus the 10.87. That's how we end up with our break-evens. And the reason why we do that is because once we collect this premium, it's non-refundable. We keep it no matter what, so that gets added to our break-even zones. Now, what's the chance of making at least a penny on this trade? Well, we look at our pop here, which is 68%. That's probability of profit. So we're looking at a probability of profit of 68%. That's if we hold all the way till expiration, but we do not need to hold till expiration. We can get out 50% of max profit, which is personally what I do, and we have our P50 number here, which is probability of hitting 50% of max profit. It's not displayed for futures, it is for equities, but basically your P50 is going to be 10 to 15% higher than your pop. So we're looking at a probability of hitting 50% of max profit of 80+%, between 80 and 85%, give or take. So we're looking at overall, between 68 and 85%. If you want to get out even sooner, say 25% of max profit, your odds will probably be much closer to 90%. Of being successful on this trade. So as you can see, we're basically going to be winning 8 to 9 times out of every 10 trades. So that only means we have to manage a couple of losers for every 10 trades or so, which is pretty easy to do, especially if it's a naked position like this, where it's just short contracts. There's no long contracts covering them. If market moves against you, let's say the market just tanks and goes to, breaches your 990 strike, you can just roll the call side down, collect more premium. When your strikes get close together, you can just buy them back and then resell wider. Because you've been collecting a premium the whole time, as you've been rolling, you'll typically be able to do just that, and pay less than what you've collected, and you basically just get to roll the dice again. If you get close to your, let's say you get down to 30 days left till expiration, you can just roll out in time, reduce your gamma risk. So many ways to manage risk. So even though you're only going to be losing 10-20% of the time, in reality, if you know how to manage your risk and make adjustments properly, it'll be much less than that. And it's not uncommon to turn losing positions into break even or even small winners. So how much money can we make off of this? So we're going to collect $543 upfront, in dollar terms, to open this position, and our broker is going to require just over $2,000 to do so. So we're making over 25% return here in 60 days, which is very nice, very juicy, and this should fit in most people's accounts. $2,000 might be a bit too much for some people. I'd just recommend going with currencies or something like that. Also, because this uses span margin, you can also go super wide, and your buying power requirement will drop. As you can see here, our buying power requirement is now under $900 because we've reduced our deltas down to about 5. You do collect less profit up front, but now our pop is 87% and our P50 is going to be around 95 to 98%. So this is basically all you need to do, and you need to do this again and again and again, and you don't need to worry too much about finding an edge and this and that. You just need to stay in business, and the edge will take care of itself because the odds are in our favor by default. And in order to do that, you need to know how much buying power to allocate to your positions. So in order to figure that out, we've created a free position sizing template. The link is in the description. It's completely free. You enter in the size of your portfolio at the top, say if it's $25,000. You then enter in whatever the VIX level is, say if it's 12.8. As you can see, everything's going to be calculated for you. This dynamically calculates your portfolio allocations based on your portfolio size and what the current VIX level is. It uses the VIX because when there's more volatility in the market, our edge is greater, so you can be more aggressive. Also, the higher the VIX is, the lower the chance of a black swan event. And the only real way to protect against a black swan event is the way you size your position. So as long as you're following this, you'll be absolutely fine over the long run. If you do want to learn in more detail about what we do and how we do it, the link will be in the description. This time click on EDS Premium, get yourself signed up. You will have access to one of our portfolios. That's going to allow you to see the positions that we place, how we manage risk, etc., all in real time. There's a full course, so no prior knowledge is required. We will teach you everything that you need to know. It's a private community as well, so if you get stuck, you can just speak with myself directly or with other like-minded individuals. And there's also a 100% money-back guarantee. So once you have studied the full course, follow some of our trades, if after 6 months you're not profitable, we will simply work with you for free, or you can just request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free for you. It's $9.99 a month to join right now. The price will be increasing. However, once you're in for life. You're locked in. You don't need to worry about price increases, so you are rewarded for getting in early. The aim of EDS Premium is to teach you the skill. We don't want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill. Once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. You can take it with you for the rest of your life, and we want to get you to that point of where you are completely self-sufficient within 6 to 12 months. You're always welcome to stay and be part of the community, but within a year you should be good to go. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.